People once believed yawning could steal your soul. In the Middle Ages, yawning wasn't seen as harmless. People believed opening the mouth for too long allowed something unseen to escape or enter the body. That's why covering your mouth became a serious habit. Not manners, protection. If this sounds strange, follow right now, because this belief shaped daily behavior. Some people even made the sign of the cross when they yawned, afraid they were vulnerable for just a moment. Today we call it tiredness. Back then, it was a risk.